Okay, today we're rebuilding Mathews sorter shoes, flat, basically just putting some new spools on. These ones here get flat spots on them. There's a washer at the top and a washer at the bottom, and a tube in between, and the tube needs to go inside the bottom washer, and the top washer has to go around that. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So you get a 3/16, put it in here, 1/2 inch on the other side. Take off the nut, take the bolt out. On the top you take out the washer, lock washer, flat washer. And then you can use the bolt to pull the sleeve out. So you lift it up enough to hold the top one. You can see this washer down here. Drop this one down. And then you see there's a washer. You need to keep that washer. Oh, there's 2 of them. Usually there's only one washer up here, but we'll save that one. And then you gotta get the tube to go inside that washer on the bottom. So what ends up happening is you get this almost flush, like that. You hear it kind of click down. And now that washer down there in the bottom is around the sleeve. Put the bolt back in. Put the flat washer on, lock washer. Nut. Grab your Allen. Impact gun. What we want is this piece right here and this piece right here to be flush, flat, not up. If it's not flat when you push down on this, it's probably not on that washer right. So we'll do the other side here. Pull the bolt, pull the washer and the lock washer, lift up on the spool. Sometimes these things are stuck in here and difficult to get out, but you can push it from the other side sometimes. Okay, take out the old spools. Up here, there's that washer. On the bottom washer is thicker than the top one, which is thinner. So I just set it right there. Put the new one up while I'm holding the top washer. Bring the sleeve down on top of the other spool. Push it down, and then get this to come down around the other one. You'll feel it dropping in there. Almost flush, but not. And then your flat washer, lock washer, nylon nut back on here. 3/16, 1/2 inch. Back up. Nice and flush like that. Check the bearing. Good to go.